Oh man, I gotta do this.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You gonna do it? I'm Anthony Carino. I've built and renovated hundreds of homes over the last decade. My next project, though, is something very personal. I'm taking an old firehouse in Jersey City, and I'm converting it into a home. My home. This is the Build TV, the Firehouse Project.
It's insane!
Okay, who's gonna be here first?
Your dad.
With the firehouse finally done, JC and I decided to have a housewarming party. So John and Jen haven't seen anything, and my parents really, they only saw a little glimpse.
I can't wait to see everybody's reaction.
Yeah.
Especially to the kitchen.
Oh.
Someone is at the front door.
Your parents, for sure, 100%.
Yep. Hello.
Hey, we're here.
Awesome. Door's unlocked. Come on in. Come on, buddy. Hello.
Hi, guys.
Hello. Good boy.
Let the party begin. Hi, honey. How you doing?
How are you?
Good.
Mom with the bottle.
Oh,
Good.
I miss you too. Where's the time go?
You found this building with Anthony.
Right. No, actually, I found it when we got it. The first renovation that we did made it structurally sound. The roof in the back was collapsing, inside was collapsing. And we used it for our office for 7 years, 8 years. And that's how it got its new life. Always said it'd be a cool place for a restaurant or for residents.
Are you enjoying it, Jace?
Oh my God,
Yeah.
it's so big. I don't know what to do with all this space.
I worked here too. So when I came in and saw this place, I was in awe. The transformation was breathtaking. It really was.
So, walking into the firehouse, the memories of working here, I remember the first time we came here, it was totally dilapidated. And now, seeing the transformation from our office into what Anthony did, it's nuts. All right, let's do the tour. Come on, let's do the tour. Already? We've been talking about this for years, because his dream always was one day when we stopped the construction company, he would buy this from his father, he would make it into his own home. It was the dream, and to walk through and see it, it was everything that he talked about.
We're moved in. Cheers. Moved in. Done. Thank you guys for coming. Appreciate the champagne. Little house tour?
Yes.
JC and
Tour guides?
tour guides.
So this literally found when we got engaged.
The kitchen, obviously, is where I live.
That's cool.
And that is top Italian design.
You don't see that in America. That's it, straight from Italy, baby.
Those fire hoses are from the basement, dude. From when
I saw them coming up, that's right.
So artistic, Anna.
Thanks, Mom.
After me.
Yes, he does.
When I saw that hanging there, I was like, it's a work of art. It was just a great way to incorporate something that is very meaningful to this building, but yet it's so artistic.
We all said, oh, we're gonna drape them up on the brick, and we're gonna.
We intended to do something with these 10 years ago.
All of this stuff was in the building, and it's just the vision that it takes to use it. And he has that.
We gotta take a stop by this bad boy.
Let's see the wine fridge. That's a serious wine fridge.
I'm taking my bottle
I
back.
take my bottle back too. Anthony's got 7 bottles.
Yeah, once it goes in the fridge, you can't take it back. That's it. Wait, you're gonna freak out. Did you see the wallpaper that I put in the powder room?
No.
Okay. Okay, look. Isn't that cute?
That's great. That's awesome with the dogs.
Oh, how cute.
We had to do a little tribute to Rossi.
Hiding West?
Yeah, Hugin West. Yeah.
This is amazing.
So John and I found that at K-Biz last year.
Yeah.
So guest bath.
Ooh, magic.
Can I touch it?
So touch it. You have to touch it.
And then when you want to give Lily away for a night,
That's it, she
this
goes
is where
right in
she
there.
can come and stay over with us.
Wait, so this is my room?
Yeah. Well, yours and Rossi's.
Rossi's been sleeping here.
Oh, here we go. Telephone.
Oh my God, Anthony.
That's sick.
Oh, hold on. You ready, Jen? Are you ready?
I'm turning on Apple TV.
Cool, right?
This is awesome.
I did the whiskey bar in the office, Jen.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, nice.
Ah, that's great. I gotta see the real deal.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you gonna do it? It's fully functional.
Oh my God! That's Fire Pole 2.0. I mean, it's crazy to see the automatic doors, the brass pole. It's so cool. Come on, Johnny.
John.
Do this.
John's afraid of heights. Oh, now I'm going. Careful.
Hello! Come on, Jace.
Yeah. Oh, please. Just do this in her seat. You do know. Where did you guys go?
Come on, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
She left.
You could have done that easy. I want to see this door.
Oh, dude.
Fire.
So listen to this.
Yeah, that's it's a big door.
So nice.
Yeah. No, I know.
Have a spot.
Hi, it's okay.
Yeah, come on in.
Nice.
Rossi's dead.
Rossi takes over again.
Look at
Very
this.
nice.
Can't get everybody
Very,
to
very
pause.
nice.
I want to go and change. Not Anthony.
So nice.
The important thing.
Yeah. It's also so nice and warm in here.
I know. I'm like,
So when I get changed, I'm like,
guys,
really
thanks
cool.
for coming.
This is serious tile.
Look at this tile. That's cool.
I love the master bath floor. Gives you that three-dimensional look, which is very common in the Renaissance and a lot of the Italian churches. You'll see that. Really, really tastefully done. Very nice. And then, you got top of the line with the medicine cabinet and the vanities. And again, it's all about the design. I'd move in.
Yeah. That's cool. So you remember this office, right?
Yeah, I know. This is nuts.
I'll take it.
This is great. This is a really nice apartment.
I am looking forward to them enjoying it and having wonderful times here, but the holidays. Let's face it, guys, I'm getting up there.
All right, let's fire up the grill.
This is awesome.
So next Christmas, come on over.
I think what we did shooting all the shows with HGTV inside here, it's crazy to see the transformation because the space doesn't look anything like it used to.
I've seen a lot of transformations and a lot of restoration. This was by far the most unexpected and really beautiful. But then again, it's my son Anthony, and he's just terrific, and he did a great job. Him and JC.
Barista extraordinaire.
That's right.
You know?
If you're happy with someone and you have somebody to share it with, that's the best thing in the world. I love the two of them, and I wish them all the best in this beautiful place.
Coming up in season 2, I'm taking on a project that's bigger and more complicated. The full renovation of a 1960s stone house nestled in the Catskill Mountains. The previous owner gutted the space and then realized he was in over his head. So we bought it to create our mountain retreat. We're gonna have a whole new set of challenges this time around. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. The Stone House Project starts right now.